I have been with Alameda Alliance for a very long time, and there are some affiliate, programs they have, like a CHCN. I am also participating with that, and I have a passion for taking care of, the really sick patient, because I do like to get challenges, and that's why Alameda Alliance does challenge me. 2005 to 2012, I worked at Highland Hospital covering their clinics, doing surgery for them, and taking care of calls with the residents. So that was a pretty interesting time period also. So ever since that time, they didn't have too many urologists to help them out, so I came and helped them. So I still reminisce those days when some of the residents over there that trained there are now working with me as attendings at Eden Hospital. So we have a close affiliation with the Alameda Health System. I do take calls at San Leandro Hospital, which is also part of the Alameda Health System. But I have my independent practice. Currently, I am solo provider. Their organization is very good. They don't give me a hard time about why this authorization is needed, or why this operation or procedure is needed. We are not going to give you authorization, or we are questioning why you are ordering this test. They don't give any grief to us, to our staff. So it's very easy. They have not really given us any trouble with getting authorization or getting a procedure scheduled. They have a wide network of radiological services and lab services. And they participate with the hospitals that I are working at. For example, Eden Hospital or San Leandro Hospital. So if I want to take a patient next door for surgery or do something, admit a patient for some kind of treatment, it's so much easier, so much convenient than have to look for a place to treat the patient. So I think it's a very sound organization, and I'm happy with their interactions with me. They have communicated very well, so the communication services are very good. It's just been a good partnership with Alameda Alliance. My wife thinks that I go totally nuts trying to take care of the garden, a small garden that we have. We try to plant, bulbs and flowers and trees, fruit trees. So I'm totally nuts in that part. I do like photography, and then recently I picked up a hobby which is kind of a little crazy, but I had some coins and I became a very staunch coin collector. So I started ordering some blank albums, and I started collecting US coins, the quarters of all the states of this country, the national parks coins collection I have. So I went all out to kind of have a nice outlet during my free time. This is my office, that where I hardly ever sit here, but nowadays I'm sitting here a lot because I'm doing telehealth visits. So from here I can actually send in a request for a video chat with patients through a website, so the patients are able to see. That's why I have to sit in front of the computer. So this is my room where I do some ultrasound on patients. When they come in, we have to do some, let's say, bladder ultrasound. So we have a machine, and I have trained my staff to do ultrasound of their bladder or prostate. There's another room where we do prostate biopsies. This is exactly the same format, but we have a separate machine for taking or doing ultrasound biopsies of the prostate. In this room, we do mostly the procedures. For example, I would do cystoscopies. Here in this room, there's a video camera. You can see the video camera system with the monitors. So we do that, and then I do some specialized studies like what is called the urodynamic studies, where patients come in, we check the function of their bladder, how the bladder is working. So there's a special testing that we do for that. I do procedures, small procedures like mostly vasectomies in the office. Plants are my favorite, so we have nice plants in the office. But the good thing is my collection of, this is origami by my patient. Every time he comes in, he would make instantly something or other. And I said, hey, this is so good, I'll pay you. And he said, doc, don't worry about it. So he has made all these origami creations. And a lot of these things that you see are actually from my patients. One patient, he went to Mexico and he brought me this. So I'm so happy and contented with how I interact with patients, and it's just been a good thing for me.